So I'm going to show you the connection flow of the automated control panel. So first we have the digital output means of the PLC. We call it IOS. Here. So we have their output being controlled a relay. So this is the relay, and their output is being controlled each of these relay. So each relay has its channel. One module of relay carries 8 channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this relay is being powered by the positive supply from my breakers here. As you can see the breakers. Alright, that is the breaker. So it's being powered. This way is being terminated, and we have a connectors. This is my connectors. So all these connectors, we have the neutral being terminated here from the power converter, and the power converter is powering the module, the IOS. Alright, so you understand from there. Also have the neutral of the relay, because the relay is being powered by 24 volts. So the neutral of the relay, call it DCM, is being connected here with the connector. So we also have a power output of the relay. So this is the supply output of the relay being connected here at the connectors. So you can get your output down from here. So from here you can control your industrial machines, or industrial, can do any industrial control from here. So we are going to control some sub panels. From this condition we are controlling some sub panels, and here is one of the panel we are going to control, this one here. Right, so let's open it and see. Alright, so this is the sub panel that we are going to control. So as you can see, cable is being connected here from another connector right inside here. Right, so this is the output from here. So it's going to also connect it to the board, to the connector, and then we get our output. So I hope you understand this video very well. If there is any question, do well to reach out to me through the channel. So you can do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to do that. Drop your comments there at the comment section. Tell me what's the challenge and what you love to learn. Give me the thumbs up, like, thank you. So this is what you get. Believe you understand everything. Listen happy. Alright, so thank you. See you next time. Bye.